Slava back to jump it up. Slava and Tyler, Jacob and Kate. Ouch. That ball just bounced over the umbrella.
You got low line. Hey, let's go.
Solid right side, side out. Hit outside.
Yeah. Here you go. Line.
Finesse game, Slava. Deep corner over the top. And an ace!
On you. You got line. Hey.
Oh, yeah. Pulling. Oh, a little ticker tape serve. All finesse from Slava. Using him that time. Side out. Over the top that time. Going for it. Going back to the big dog.
Out of here.
Wind gust taking him deep. Oh yeah, hitting the apex at the.
Oh, you got angle.
Oh, hiking over. Oh, 2 in a row. Stepping up the serve. Oh yeah, going off the block. 10. Oh, good idea. Tomahawk set. Smoldering. Oh! Bang, bang, ping pong play. Oh, we've seen that before. That's 2 soft block.
Hey,
oh yeah, nice serve. Going quick.
Let's go! Come on!
down on that. Teens on center court. Oh, back set bumpy. No. This deal's even. Oh, giving him the angles and using it, Tyler. Oh, no, we're equal at 20s. It's a sizzle. Floaty lets him off the hook. Just outside, and that was aggressive. Wait. Outside, right to the right. Oh no! Floaty caught the drift. Wins on the jammer. Jumbo pokey. Hammer time, absolute ground pounder.
Line.
Down the middle.
I got you. Swing, going. Hey! We'll take that one. Switch. I'm taking my pants off. Bro, I need a sunburn somehow, bro. I think we're this one's pants. You. You're up. Line! Hey!
Slava bringing the heat.
Yeah!
Oh, lefty!
Great pickup!
Oh yeah, little net love from Tyler.
Hey, Tyler.
Oh, off the tape and out of bounds gives Tyler and Slava another. No touch off that. Oh, drifts wide, gives him the switch, 6-8 to stay alive in this set. Oh yeah, bringing it. Sitting in the seam, sizzled the digger. Here we go. Coming up short down the middle.
Nice second. That's clean. You got high.
Big angle. up, going off the block. Too much angle, rattles out.
Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it!
10.
Hey! Come on, Tyler.
Wager. Oh, that lob again. Oh yeah, getting up there, barefooter. Are you?
Push me up there. Line the angle. Come on.
Yep. Am I firing him up or what?
You got line it.
Oh yeah, good serve. Tyler getting low, shoestring pass. Oh, going at the big guy and going for it. Oh, set off the net, goes long. Oh, it hits good. Oh, not that time. Oh, waiting for it. Good call, Tyler. Got it! Right on the line. Good defense, sitting there up.
I need to go. I'm looking for my phone right now.
Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, he breaks out his hands, pulls the set. Oh no, it's not over.
Hey, Tyler.
Oh, goes out and that'll do it. Let's give it up for center court, guys. Good playing. It's Tyler and Slav advancing, but a good match by Jacob and